Molo Molo. We will play the song.
Okay.
We'll go dance the song on air live. And you
Okay.
will show us the three different type of dance.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go with Molo Molo.
Now,
Okay.
looking like video.
Okay, that's true. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Molo Molo. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Alright. Mala Mala.
Music.
Oh, okay. He's gonna increase the volume for you, don't worry. Okay.
Okay, let's go. So which one is this one?
Bikuti.
Bikuti.
Show me. Like this.
Bikuti.
It's like
I'm a natural dance with this one.
exactly like this.
Okay.
When I call your side, when they feel together. Wait.
Alright.
Mala Mala.
Alright.
Okay. Up, down.
Like you're pushing it. You're pushing. You guys will go like, you know.
That has to be something else for the guys. Okay, so what's the next one?
Bend again. Let's bend again. Yes.
I said I will dance everything today. Okay. The Makosa.
The Makosa is the waist. It's the waist too. Then, okay, go like this. Yes. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You need. Okay. Now let me give them our own.
Hey, Tiki.
Oh, you know it's a
Of course.
Maybe you know this one.
I love that.
Ah, you know everything. You know this one.
No.
Yeah, who's it?
Oh, okay.
Wait, which other one? Swa.
Hey, what is it?
Swa. Which other one? Have you seen Makosa?
Hey, no.